Yeah, look, there's the balloon now. Look, not much left of the balloon. Look, there's the balloon. It's all furled up. Look, there's no more air in the balloon. Look. Look, they're rolling it up. All the air's gone out of the balloon.
Steamroller.
Steamroller, huh? Let's go back this way, okay? Oh,
Oh,
what's across the road?
Road.
It's a fire station, look.
Fire
Yeah, and look, where are we now? We're on the construction site, but we're not supposed to be here. We're not supposed to be in the construction site. What's over there?
The digger.
The diggers, yeah, diggers.
Digger Johnson.
Because we're on the construction site. Look, there's buckets. Buckets.
Buckets.
Yeah, where's the fire engines? I don't see any fire engines in there. They must be out putting out a. They must be out putting out a fire, huh?
Fire trucks. Oh.
Right, wave bye-bye to the diggers.
Diggers.
We have to go get our pizza. Our pizza be getting cold. Cold pizza. Do you like cold pizza?
Cold pizza.
Mm-hmm.